So now we'll teach you how to set up your logo and to customize your estimate or invoice. So from this screen, you'll go to Settings, which is at the bottom, and click it. And then go to Invoice Customization. Click Choose File. Go to the location where your logo is stored and open it. And you can see right over here towards the right that it's saved. So the next thing we can do is we can pick which of these three you would like your estimate or your invoice to look like. So let's say you would like to go modern. You can click that button, and you can also change the color to meet whichever color you would like it to meet. And you just scroll this bar down till you pick the color that you want. So there you have it. Just like that. Pick a color. And we can further scroll down. And you can decide how you want your invoice set up with the words in each of the box, how you want the payment terms described, due upon receipt. This is the drop-down menu. And it has options that way. The default title. The subheading. This will just be displayed below the title of each invoice, used for things like an ABN numbers. And the footer. It's at the bottom of each invoice. And a standard memo appears on each invoice. You can choose to override it when you create an invoice. So the same thing is with the estimate settings. You can just set it up the same way. As you go scroll further down, you can find the invoice column settings. This just tells you that makes it so you can edit the titles of the columns on your invoice, and you can select how you want them to be set up. So if you'd like it by items, which is the default, or products or services, then we have the other category. Or the units for billing is quantity, hours, or other, and then the price is price, rate, or other, and then the amount. Choose which columns on your invoice to hide, and this gives you the option to hide things on your invoice as well. And then you just click Save. Let's click Save. And we have display logo set up. And then to add contact information, your address, website, and all of those things, you just have to go to your profile and click it and update it through there. So that is how you customize an invoice. Very easy on Wave. So let's see if we can take a look at our invoice that we just created. Invoicing. Well, it should be on the estimate too. Let's see. Just try to do this quickly. And click Save. Oh, we gotta pick a customer. Let's pick James D. And click Save. And there is our estimate. And the logo is at the bottom. And the address. So it's just the style that was modern that we picked made it look that way. If we picked a different one, it would look different. Let's see. So if we picked this one, it would have a different look than this one. And so we had the modern one set up with the logo at the bottom. We can switch it to classic if we would like. Classic. And click Save. And go to Launchpad. Or we can actually also get there from Sales and go to Estimates. And there you have it, looking as the other style. And here's his address, the address of the company, and there's the logo. So there it is. That's how you create or you import the logo and customize your own invoice or estimate.